If you're new to Outback Organics or to any of our peelable waxes, here's a video to help you identify the right one for you. So firstly, we've got our Outback Organics Opal Peelable. This is our hero wax. It's hypoallergenic. It's great for all areas of the body and all hair types. So even the finest of vellus hairs and the coarsest of terminal hair, Opal will be an all-round wonderful peelable. Next we have our True Blue and Jade peelable waxes. These are the ones that have the mica, which gives the glittery shine within the wax, and it tends to thicken the consistency ever so slightly. The unique thing about Jade is it does contain eucalyptus, which is wonderful if you've got any clients that suffer with inflamed or infected follicles. And then we have our Onyx, which is our darkest of the peelables, very visible on the skin, and it's quite unique because it has an earthy sandalwood aroma, so often therapists like this one for their male clients. And then on the end here, we've got our gold peelable. Our gold peelable is the closest to a traditional hot wax. So it's the one that's not vegan out of the whole range. It does contain lanolin and beeswax. And it's the one that really you need a bit more of a technical hand to apply. It sets incredibly quickly, so you need to be quite confident with your application of your patches. And then at the front here, we've got the Outback Organics White Peelable, which is more of a basic peelable. It will deal with less challenging, less coarse hair. So areas like the legs, male backs, or the arm, this is perfect for. So here's the techie part. These standing waxes here all contain polymer. Polymer is a plant extract that when it's hot expands, when it cools it shrinks, like lots of tweezers clamping down on the hair. They all have the same count, which means they're all as strong as each other. The Outback Organics White Peelable has a lesser count of polymer, which is why it's only suitable for slightly less coarse, slightly less challenging hairs. To find out any more information about any of our waxes or products, please visit the Outback Organics website.